Hi, good morning everyone. Today's discussion will be on one-liners from Alansky Notes. By today evening 6 o'clock, the Materia Medica question link will be posted in the group. So if you want to attend the test, you just join in the group. I have given the link in the description. Please go and check it now. The first MCQ is cough when any part of body is uncovered. Cough when any part of body is uncovered. And the options are Hapar ruta, Rustrox spongia, Barretta silicia, Rustrox and Hapar. And the answer is Rustrox and Hapar self. This symptom is given in Hapar self, in bracket Rustrox has been given. The next symptom, soreness of larynx as if ulcerated. Soreness of larynx as if ulcerated. Options are causticum, medorinum, argentum metallicum and sulfur. Soreness of larynx as if ulcerated. And the answer is medorinum. Next question, persons mentally weak and irritable. Persons mentally weak and irritable. Options are Cantharis, Naxwamica, Camphor and Sanguinaria. Persons mentally weak and irritable. And the answer is Camphor. Next, whole body painful, easily sprained and injured. Whole body painful, easily sprained and injured. And the options are Baptisia, phosphoric acid, Sina and Soranum. Whole body painful, easily sprained and injured. And the answer is Soranum. Next, malignant scarlatina and variola. Malignant scarlatina and variola. Options are carbolic acid, ammonium mure, Sicalcar and diphtherinum. Malignant scarlatina and variola. So the answer is carbolic acid, in bracket ammonium carb also there. So carbolic acid and ammonium carb. Malignant scarlatina and variola. Next question, cutting pains across abdomen from left to right. Cutting pains across abdomen from left to right. Options are Lycopodium, Nux mosquita, Ipecac and Magnesium muriaticum. And the answer is Ipecac. In bracket, for right to left they have given Lycopodium, but left to right we have to go for Ipecac. So left to right Ipecac. The next question, acute or chronic diseases from unusual or long continued mental exertion. Acute or chronic diseases from unusual or long continued mental exertion. Options are Argentum nitricum, Ignatia, Soranum and Menianthus. Answer is Argentum nitricum. Here the clue word is long continued mental exertion, Argentum nitricum. The next question, decided aversion to coition. Decided aversion to coition. Options are Sepia, Graphitis, Ustilago and Calophyllum. Answer is Graphitis. Decided aversion to coition seen in Graphitis. Next question, gangrene, dry, senile, aggravation from external heat. Gangrene, dry, senile, aggravation from external heat. Options are Calendula, tuberculinum, sulfuric acid and Sicalcar. Answer is Sickle car. Here the clue is dry senile gangrene, aggravation, external heat. Next question, severe headache before and during menses. Severe headache before and during menses. Options are sepia, silicea, sulfur and Sickle car. Answer is sepia. The symptom is given in creosotum, in bracket sepia is there. If creosotum has been given in the option, we have to go for creosote. Here creosote is not there, only sepia is there. So creosote and sepia. Severe headache before and during menses. The next question, palpitation of heart felt in the face. Options are natrum mur, phytolacca, lachesis and muriatic acid. Palpitations of heart felt in the face. Answer is muriatic acid. Next, cough, dry, spasmodic, constricted, asthmatic. Cough, dry, spasmodic, constricted and asthmatic. Options are apocynon, ipecac, nux vomica, spongia. So, this symptom is given in ipecac. Cough, dry, spasmodic, constricted, asthmatic, given in ipecac. Next symptom, complaints occurring in hot weather. Complaints occurring in hot weather. Options are sorinum, natrum carbonicum, calibic and mercurius dulcis. Answer is calibicuromicum. Next symptom, extremes of heat and cold causes debility. Options are natrum car, lachesis, gelsemium and fluoric acid. Extremes of heat and cold causes debility. Answer is lachesis. Here heat and cold causes debility. So this word debility is most important to select the drug lachesis. The next symptom, which is similar to the previous symptom, oversensitive to heat and cold. Options are ipecac, natrum car, lachesis and gelsemium. Here the answer is ipecac. If they have given like heat and cold causes debility, we have to go for lachesis. If it is oversensitive to heat and cold, simply we have to think about ipecac. The next symptom, general depression from heat of sun or summer. General depression from heat of sun or summer. Options are ipecac, natrum car, lachesis and gelsemium. Answer is gelsemium. General depression from heat of sun or summer, gelsemium. The next question is loss of voice from becoming overheated. Loss of voice from becoming overheated. Options are anticrot, coca, gelsemium and argentum metallicum. Loss of voice from becoming overheated. Answer is antimonium crudum. Foul breath in girls at puberty. Foul breath in girls at puberty. Options are pulsatilla, nux mosquita, arum metallicum, carbolic acid. Foul breath in girls at puberty. Answer is arum metallicum. And the next question, languid, tired, exhausted, unable to sit up. Languid, tired, exhausted, unable to sit up. Options are mercurius corrosivus, camphora, magnesium phosphoricum, plumbum metallicum. Answer is magnesium phos. Languid, tired, exhausted, unable to sit up. McPhos. Headache and diarrhea from jarring of cause. Headache and diarrhea from jarring of cause. Options are petroleum, veratrum, epigia and medorinum. Headache and diarrhea from jarring of cause. Answer is medorinum. Sweat in axilla smells like onion. Sweat in axilla smells like onion. Options are phosphorus, sulfur, bovista, artemisia. Answer is Bovista. Sweat in axilla smells like onion. Bovista. Malignant ulcers, carbuncles, anthrax, gangrene. The question is malignant ulcers, carbuncles, anthrax and gangrene. Options are Anthracinum, Lachesis, Sickle car and Tarantula. Answer is Tarantula. Malignant ulcers, carbuncle, anthrax and gangrene, Tarantula. Next question. Epistaxis profuse, passive and bright red. Passive but bright red. Epistaxis profuse, passive and bright red. Options are Trillium pendulum, creosote, Phosphorus and ipecac. Here the answer is Trillium pendulum. Epistaxis profuse, passive, bright red, given in Trillium pendulum. Autumnal dysentery, cold nights after hot days. Autumnal dysentery, cold nights after hot days. Options are Ipecac colchicum, Ipecac mercurius, Ipecac mercurius and colchicum and Ipecac. So the answer is Ipecac mercurius and colchicum. The symptom is given in Ipecac. In bracket they have given mercurius and colchicum. So we have completed 25 MCQs, 25 one-liners from Alan's keynotes. Thank you.